Worcester Racecourse then, looking very, very splendid, as is my Brompton, and they're off, and there's Gladys and Narrowboat. Yes, she's gone straight to the front, she's taken the lead, she's not messing around at all today, she's gone straight to the front, she's leaving everybody else in her wake. None of the other boats have got any chance at all. She's absolutely galloping away, and oh, just a moment, no, wait, she's slowing, maybe the jockey's playing it a bit cagey. That one's called Rachel. The colour's not a million miles away from Gladys. It is a bit different, but it's nice to see a red boat. And I've experienced a train ride like never before. Once again, you find me at Worcester Foregate Street. Slightly unusual way of getting here this time, on the bus. That was okay, and I quite enjoyed it.
Thank
you very much.
Up like a Brompton.
Yeah, it folds up, yeah. Electric bikes for hire, I imagine. Worcester Racecourse then, looking very, very splendid, as is my Brompton, and the racecourse here in Worcester is actually right next to the River Severn. Can't see the river too well at this point, but you might be able to make it out through the trees and bushes. I'm literally on the river bank now, and I'm sure we'll get a better view of it as we get closer down to the city. I have to say, the grass on the track is looking absolutely gorgeous. Not much like our lawn back home. Obviously they spend a lot of time looking after it. You can see the grandstand over to the right, and then right in front of me now I can see the tower of Worcester Cathedral, and then there's a spire just close by from the church as well. And they're off, and there's Gladys and Narrowboat. Yes, she's gone straight to the front, she's taken the lead, she's not messing around at all today, she's gone straight to the front, she's leaving everybody else in her wake. None of the other boats have got any chance at all. She's absolutely galloping away, and oh, just a moment, no, wait, she's slowing, maybe the jockey's playing it a bit cagey, maybe there, yeah, oh, she's definitely slowed now, she went off way too fast. And the others are catching her up. Yes, oh, and they're all together now. All the boats are together as they approach the bend. In fact, Gladys is, she's going to the back. She's slowing down terribly now. She's, in fact, I am sorry to say this, I think she's pretty much come to a stop. and the other boats are very, very slow indeed as well. I don't know what the trainer is doing with these boats. I really don't. They really seem to have slowed down tremendously. They're just crawling around the bend now. And oh wait, no, wait, Gladys is making a bit of a start again. She's having another go. She's attacking from the back. She may well finish yet. Yes, she may well finish. That's not finish first. She may well finish. And as they approach us now, it's getting very, very exciting. The tension is absolutely gripping everyone here. So many people involved. So many people waiting for these boats. Will they ever be finished? Will they ever be finished? Well, stay tuned to the channel and you'll find out. Lovely path here. Tarmacked. So absolutely no complaints from me for cycling. Yeah, let's go down a bit further and make our way into the city. See if we can catch up with my old friend, the Worcester and Birmingham Canal. Hello.
Alright.
That's all right. So,
It's blowing.
so you're Border Terrier?
Yeah, it's
Yeah.
blowing in our deck as well. Look.
I used to have one the same colour.
Did you?
Yeah.
That's my son's dog. Mine died going back a while ago.
Coming into Worcester now, and in front of me is the railway viaduct that brings the trains in. Been across this quite a few times. Fabulous construction. Nice view of the railway bridges, and right on time is a Great Western Railway Hitachi train just going over. River's looking very placid today. Quite different to when I've been here before. Worcestershire cricket ground just over there in the distance. Pretty busy place, Worcester. Lots of traffic going through. Some of it on the pavement as well. This area here with this car park was underwater earlier this year when the River Severn flooded over. It was all the way over here. Unbelievable. Beautiful construction on that bridge, isn't it? Absolutely fantastic. That's the main road in and out of Worcester. This is South Parade. A lot of swans over there. Can you see seagulls squawking away too? Lovely view of Worcester Cathedral from here. What I'm going to do now, I'm going to cycle down this path past the cathedral and then come out at the locks at Diglis. See what's going on the canal. Aren't they fabulous creatures? Absolutely. Lord knows how many there are. This looks like a boat trip coming up the river. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thanks a lot. Hey. Here I am at Diglis Lock. Thanks very much. Cheers. Nice to see a CRT volunteer there. I was wondering if I'd bump into Kevin Phillips again. Kevin's one of the CRT volunteers, and I met him here at Diglis Lock last time I came here. Not much going on here at the moment, but quite a few boats in the marina. I'm going to go and take a look at them. Oh look, there's a red boat. That one's called Rachel. The colour's not a million miles away from Gladys. It is a bit different, but it's nice to see a red boat. I think they've come to say hello.
Thank you.
Is that a border?
It is.
Good it was, yeah.
You got one?
I did have one.
Oh, did you?
Yeah. Anyone need a bike? Looks to me like it was fished out of the canal. Very sad. Coming up to lock number 3. This is Sidbury Lock. It's lock number 3. Thank you. Doesn't our Brompton look nice? I'll tell you something else that looks nice as well. Is I might be getting old, but I still got a good memory, and I remember this place, which is right on the canal, and it's called Mother Hubbard's Famous Fish and Chips since 1972. So I am a bit peckish now, you know, so let's go see what we can get. I hope you enjoyed that little visit to Worcester. Saw a few things I've not seen there before, and I've experienced a train ride like never before, in as much as it wasn't a train at all. Trains in both directions were cancelled, and had to get on a coach, so it took 2 hours to get back from Worcester to here in Hereford instead of 40 minutes on the train. And wow, what an experience. I've been really lucky up to now with trains, I suppose, but apparently there's some problem with the signalling or points, I'm not sure, here at Hereford, and so there were no trains coming to Hereford this afternoon, and they weren't leaving this morning either. I'm going to cycle down to my car now and put Mr. Brompton away, and then I'm going back home. Start editing this video for you for Saturday. I'll be back with you again next week, somewhere else, doing something else, and with a bit of luck I'll have an update on Diglis and Narrowboat as well. So until then, take care, and I'll see you then. Bye.